Cop on the probe after firearm accidentally goes off killing female. Hi again and welcome. This is lling 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to lling 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. lling 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is lling 007 TV News Report. A woman is dead and her boyfriend, said to be a policeman, is being questioned following a shooting incident in Clarendon. Reports are that the female was at home in the parish with the police constable when an explosion was heard. There are suggestions that the policeman accidentally discharged his weapon, hitting the female. An alarm was raised and the injured female rushed to hospital, where she succumbed to her injuries while undergoing treatment. The policeman is being questioned regarding the incident. This is a developing story, and lling 007 TV will have more details in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.